I'm Michelle Coben-Hughes. I'm the Managing Director of the Firm Partnership and the Business Manager of Ferndale Community School. The Firm Partnership was set up 4 years ago as a charity linked to the school and the community. We're engaging with a number of community members across the age ranges, having a positive impact on well-being, education, training, and we're able to develop the skills and the confidence of these people to go out and believe in themselves. We've gone from employing 5 staff originally in the February of 2015 and we're on target to employ 60 by next September. We're in the process of developing and opening our 7th creche in the area, as well as developing a soft play centre where we've got community access and community benefits. And we're also developing access to employment and support for community members as we are in a deprived area. So everything we do just provides a holistic approach for all the community, for all the ages, and we're striving to improve on that.
I'm Julia Holston-Clark and I'm Chief Executive of Wales Restorative Approaches Partnership. The Wales Restorative Approaches Partnership delivers training and qualifications and restorative delivery and practice and strategic consultancy to anyone who wants to work restoratively and really build and maintain and repair relationships. Our business grew from an idea that came from young lifers in Cardiff Prison. They were saying, after working restoratively, why hadn't this happened sooner with my family when I was in school? And that's when I got into crime. We've grown by employing more people year on year, and the aim is to grow steadily whilst looking after people along the way so that the service can expand across Wales and wider. I think being a social business and a cooperative means our value base is really explicit and strong. We're moving into the area of health and well-being. We're moving back into prison, which is fantastic, but it's very rewarding in that you see the skills that we train people in being lived out in their own lives because they're skills for life, and then you see them thrive.
My name's Jo Clay. I'm the founder and managing director of Empower Be the Change. We combine accredited training with mentoring to build people's mental resilience and empower them into whatever they want to do next. The organisation has grown hugely in its first 2 years. I think in the first year we took about 35 people through programmes, and we've just sort of finished our 2nd year and we've taken 200 people through programmes, so it's grown hugely. We've done quite a lot of work with those 16 to 18-year-olds, kids that have kind of real low confidence and lack of self-belief. They've sort of really transformed their skills and opportunities. We've then done a lot of work with Lindore University. We've had students that are kind of on the verge of almost failing their degree and then coming out with a 2-2, which is fantastic. And then we've done a lot of work with the people who've been out of work for a long period of time and just given that self-belief that they can go back into a job, and not just any job, but a job they really want to do. We are trying to sort of grow our sales side now particularly. We have the ambitious target of empowering 1,000 people by 2023, so we really want to grow our programmes, look at new opportunities basically, and perhaps maybe some online stuff as well.